Hot the dog! Thanks for the glizzy twirl, baby. I'm glad you like my random sounds. I googled this, by the way, because so many people bring up my trilling sounds, whether it's like a question or they say they like it or they're worried about it. And the one thing that bothered me is a lot of people assume it's like a nervous tick, but I'm not nervous. I usually do it if I'm happy, right? And then I've had a couple friends say, why don't you do it around me when I talk like to you directly? And I'm like, I don't really know. So the only problem I don't like with like saying it's a vocal stim is people like tend to think it's a negative. Like, oh, you're like a Tourette's thing, which like having Tourette's is fine, but I don't have Tourette's. Just like those people who have that have it much worse, right? Like I don't really want to wear that badge when there's a lot of people that actually struggle with that. I'm not like struggling. No, but I googled it because I was like, I don't know how to explain what I'm saying. And I don't really know why I do it. I haven't really thought about it, right? And it turns out, okay, I was thinking about it and I'm like, you know, the one other time I do it when I'm not streaming is when I'm by myself. And I was like, why is that? And I found out, I think it's because it's either like, okay, usually I do it when I'm happy, but I don't do it when I'm talking to someone directly because usually all my focus is on that one person and not multiple things. So I realized that when I'm alone or when I'm streaming, I'm usually multitasking. Like I'm doing a task and I'm trying to keep focus on it the whole time. So it's like I'm not unhappy, but usually it's like I don't know why, it helps my focus. It's like a weird stay on task thing I do. Like if I'm cleaning, I do it or I hum or something. So I guess that's what it is. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, the only reason it made me upset when people pointed it out and demanded I explain it is it felt like I had to be like, guys, like, if I call it a stim or a tick, people are gonna think it's because I'm like unhappy or stressed, and I don't feel unhappy or stressed. A grounding thing? I don't know. It's just like I'm focusing on many things, and for some reason that like, usually, like it's not even like I'm upset I can't focus or something. It's like usually when I'm like stimulated by multiple things, I do it. I don't know. Basically, if I had a tail, I'd wag it at that time. You know, like how cats purr when they're curious? That's kind of what it is. And I wish more people would view it like that and not just like, oh, there must be something wrong. Because like, dude, cats are cute and they purr when they're self-soothing, when they're curious, when they're content. But it's usually a positive reason, right? Like 90% of the time when a cat purrs, it's for like a happy reason, right? Does that make sense? Yeah, it's a trait and not a condition. I don't know. But yeah, it's not a bad thing. I just wanted to let you guys know. Not that you guys were thinking it was, but just something I read about yesterday. I was like, oh, that kind of sounds like me. That's just like me. It's brain cell dancing, yes. Brain cell happy wiggling. Yeah, basically that. I don't know.